Hi there, my name is Taro Iwamoto. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner, and in today's video I'm going to show you a few exercises to improve your balance using, again, this exercise ball. So if you haven't watched my last week's video, I shared a few exercises for balance and using this ball. And today I'm going to show you a little bit more advanced version. So using this ball, let's start lying over the ball on your stomach. And just like last week's balance or any other balance exercises, the videos that I posted in the past, the focus would be not to tense yourself and keep your let go of all the unnecessary muscular tension, and no holding the breath, no tensing your neck muscle, shoulder muscles, your abdominal muscles, your hands, or so forth. Okay, so same thing applies to this balance exercise. As you're lying down on your stomach over the ball, and check to make sure that you don't tense your neck or shoulders first. Okay, and from here, what you begin to do is you begin to shift your weight left and right. And if you did watch my last week's video on the exercise balls, sitting exercise on the ball, it's the same ideas. When you go to the side, it is about counterbalancing. When you go off to the side and observe and how you counterbalance. And observe also, you notice if you are increasing the tension, you're tensing and changing your breathing, and slowly move and then see if we can let that go. Okay? As I'm shifting my weight to my left side, I am allowing my spine to bend a little bit to the side. And if you're not quite confident with your balancing, you can put your hands on the floor. Or if you're fine, you can put your hands on the ball. Wherever is comfortable. Okay, it's pretty subtle, but can you see? Okay, so I don't know how well you can see from this angle, but what I am doing, or I should say allowing myself, my body to move, is that as I'm shifting to my left side, I'm allowing my spine to C-curve to the right, allowing my head to turn or to tilt a little bit to the right side to counterbalance. And when you shift to the other side, and everything is going to move in the opposite directions. So I'm going to the right side, and then instead of tightening my muscles, I'm going to simply just allowing my spine and then the head to move and curve to the left side to counterbalance. And then again, I always encourage you to try both ways so that you can feel the difference. Okay, so the one way is to counterbalance, and then the other way is to tense and to tighten your muscles and see if that has an impact on your balance and how that changes your ability to maintain your balance. So try tightening your abdominal muscles, tightening and even holding the breath and trying to maintain that balance, not allowing the spine to bend at all. You go here. Okay, how far can you go? Okay, quickly you're going to start to lose your balance and tense your muscles even more. But that doesn't really help, right? You're more likely to fall more quickly and then with the harder hit to the ground. And then you can go back to the other option, which is counterbalancing by allowing the spine to respond and move. Shift, side to side, side to side. Okay? And can you feel the difference? And so that's one. And then the second one, now you're going to be on your back, okay, over the ball, and do the same thing. Hands could be anywhere. Okay, so I don't know what to do with my hands, so I'm going to just put my hands on my stomach, and then I'm shifting side to side. And same thing, I'm allowing my spine to move instead of keeping my spine still. And as far as where you want to be, okay, you can probably just have the head on the ball so that you don't have to hold your head still. Or if you like, you can have your back supported with the ball, and then you can use your hands to support the weight of the head. And then you can do the same thing side to side. Well, this might actually work even better, so you can free your neck and head. So you can move your head to counterbalance even better, going your side to side. Like so. Okay, and lastly, so that's the second one, then lastly, you're going to transition from either you can start from your stomach or you can start from your back, and then slowly you're going to transition from the back to the to your stomach, or from the stomach to your back, and then you can kind of alternate. Okay, and do it slowly, and then that's the key to improve your balance. Okay. Okay, so of course you do have to move your feet, and the slower you do it, well, the harder it's gonna be, but then it's gonna help you find a better way to organize your bodies to improve your balance. So take your time to do it really, really slowly, and then you can play with the placement of the ball to make it work better for you. All right, and that's it for this one, and thanks for watching. And if you like this video, and please hit the like button, and then if you're new to this channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and for watching, and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.